Generate key type. Select the Customize key blank. Click the menu DIY key blank. Enter DIY key blank. Select the first one. We can see the blank has a lateral groove. The groove is up. Click Next. The width and thickness of the key. The width is 820. The thickness is 300. Input the width and thickness that I measured. Click Next. The first option, groove width. Groove width is 70. Input 70 on the first option. The next, we need the length of groove. The groove length is 3,400. Input the length on the second line. The last option is we need the groove thickness. The thickness is 150. Input the groove thickness. All is okay. Click Next. At last, save the data you customized. Input the key blank name, vehicle name. All is ready. Try to cut one. Prepare super key blank or piece of copper. Install it on the clamp. Pay more attention. The position is very important. Click Continue. Finish cutting both the key sides. Clean the particles. We already changed a piece of copper into key blank HU92. Let's use this key blank to cut a new key. Enter the menu Cut by Bitting. Input HU92 on searching bar. Select HU92. The second installation. Similarly, install the key according to the guiding picture. Click OK, Continue. Identify the key bitting. Compare with the original key. Install the key blank on the machine. If it's ready, please click Cut.